Okay, so my sister is giving me a makeover. Like, making me perfect and pretty. That's my sister. Say hi. Say chop. Yeah, that's her.
Okay, let me finish.
Okay. So, we're rolling. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Who's staring?
I got a black eye. Fix it.
What you know about that? Stacia giving me a makeover. Let's do this. Yeah. Baby, I'm beautiful. Hold on. Yeah, man. I'm beautiful.
Are you recording it while I'm doing it?
Yeah. Wow. You're doing the other side. Ow! I'm sorry.
You have it on your forehead.
What did you do to...
Oh, it came off.
What?
You're missing eyebrow.
I got a red eye. Where's my eyebrow? Ew, she bit me.
Okay. You have long lashes. I should curl them, but you probably won't let me.
Yeah, baby. I'm looking nice. And we're rolling down to Chicago. Looking at that black thing on my forehead. What is that thing? Black thing?
Eyebrow.
That's my eyebrow. It grew up, up here. The camera needs to get this.
Does that feel stabby?
Yeah. Why you laugh? I know you be staring. So just admit it. Clip it cheeks. Yeah, baby. Ah. This is going all over Facebook.
Is it really?
Yeah. It's going viral. 3 minutes, 31 seconds.
Okay, that's a long time to watch a video.
Too bad. It's funny. And I know
So
it's fun. Hey, she messing me up. I'm trying to do my makeup and she be all up and moving. Girl, what you know about that? Ow.
It
Ow.
doesn't hurt.
Ow. Don't laugh. It's not funny. Ow. Tickle. Shoot.
What side do you like better? This side doesn't even look like you have anything, so I'm going to do it differently.
You know you want this. Hey, baby. You're turning me black.
It's green.
Doesn't look like green. Ow. Ow, ow, that actually hurt. Oh, you got my eyeball. stop the video.
Okay, look at me. With that eye too.
I look good.
Okay, mascara.
Mascara time. Get this thing on. Oh wait, get this thing on the road, duh, baby. Don't smile. I do it perfect. See? Don't touch me.
Okay, close your eye. Close it. Come here.
I need to see the camera. That's how we do mascara. She got it all over my face. Ow.
I got it in your nose.
See? See what she did?
Okay, look. Put your face right here.
I'll put my face.
No,
oh,
not,
like
not
that?
your face. Your head.
You got my eyebrow messed up.
Okay, yeah, look. We have to redo your eyebrows now.
She's making me pretty. See that, girl? We don't do that in Wisconsin.
You just messed it up. Okay, Landon, you don't need a 6-minute video. No one's gonna watch it.
Oh, yeah? Tell that to the 5 million comments saying I'm stupid. Ew, what's that down there? Looks like mascara. Oh, she touched my nose. Ow. Ow.
Okay, look at me. With this eye. Open.
Ah.
Okay.
You put. Ow. Oh, she licked me. Oh. Ew.
Do you have Q-tips?
Uh,
Do you have Q-tips? Go get some Q-tips.
no.
Let me fix your
No.
eyebrows.
But my eyebrows are fine.
You're messing up.
Mom. Stop. Girls these days. Ow. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Right there. You missed a spot.
Stop.
It's not about how many miles you can get out of the C-Max hybrid. It's about how much life.
That's why I need a Q-tip. Leave it. You're gonna look. You're smearing it more. Stop. I need a Q-tip.
Meanie.
You're a meanie for touching it.
Tank of gas. And all the room you need to enjoy the trip. Go stretch out. Go further.
Oh my gosh, it's my commercial. It's right there.
Okay. We have one more step left.
What? I'm gonna put that on my tongue. Hey, that's what. It was wet. Oh, my cheek looks different. I look pretty. I can't see the cam. Oh yeah. She made me a mustache.
Most of the time, it's easy to know which option is better. Other times, not so much. So it's good to know that Mazola corn oil has 4 times more cholesterol levels in sterols than olive oil.
Would you know about
And a
that?
recent study found that it can help lower cholesterol 2 times more. Take care of those you love and cook
Sorry.
deliciously. Mazola makes it better.
Sorry.
Stop. That's gonna stab your eyeball.
Ew.
Turn to me. Okay, do you want me to record?
No.
Yeah, okay, well then turn to me.
And rolling action. Okay.
Can I give you lip gloss?
Yeah. Duh. What's a makeover without lip gloss? What you know about that? It's my cheek.
Okay.
Quit touching it. This is highly classified. I'm a bomb.
Okay.
Bomb because I'm crazy. I'm the bomb. You get the Q-tip and get the off. Oh no, it's just that the mom is talking. Freaky. Oh baby. Stacia. You be running lag. You better be done with this. It made a pooping
Let
sound.
me see. Rub it in. Let me see.
Ew, don't put it on me. Hold on.
I'm not done.
I spit.
Okay, open.
You got it on my tooth.
Open.
Quit putting it in my mouth.
I'm trying to.
I can taste it.
It tastes good, huh? Open.
Sure. Really? Really?
Okay, go, guys. Don't get it all over.
Oh no.
Okay. Look at me. Let me
We
see.
need to do my hair. Ah.
Ah. Okay, let me see.
You see? I want to be perfect. You'll think I'm a girl, huh? Except the ugly one. You know it. Oh, I'm pretty. Man, I can't believe I am not a girl. Because I'd be like, ooh, she's hot. I'm a dude. Just gay, huh? No.
Okay.
It looks a little off, but... Are we done?
Yeah.
You like?
Look at this. Look at me. Now, like, turn your face. Move your hand to the other side.
So, that's it for my episode. If you want more, comment in the comments. Yeah.